The Inflatables is an installation of 2 moving sculptures. During the process of making the inflatables, I worked intuitively. I was guided by the materials I worked with, each material taking me into a different direction. I moved from pencil to clay to rubber to air. Because I could only make one more sculpture with the mold I had, I decided to create a contrast between the two. One would move slow, sort of sluggish, and the other faster and nervous. For the slower moving work, I made a table because I really liked the way it was deflating like this, as if it was sleeping. The second work would hang, caged, connected to 2 pumps instead of one blowing air and the other one sucking to speed up the process, basically. I actually imagined both works next to each other as one installation, but realized when building it up they couldn't be together, because the louder one was so loud it took away from the slower moving one, and so I had to separate them. Another thing I realized while building up the installation was the loudness of the pumps. I thought that it wouldn't be possible to put them in a box, thinking they wouldn't get enough air, but Johanna told me later it is possible, which is definitely something to think about. Now to the meaning of the work. What does it mean? I do not have a clear answer to that question, because I didn't have a fixed direction while making it. I didn't decide up front what it was I wanted to say. I believe the work speaks for itself. I did make some notes about my thoughts and feelings while looking at the work, which I will read out loud. What does it mean? Breathing sculptures, being kept alive mechanically. Surrealistic, inflatable heads. The disturbing, caged, caving in spasmodically. The tranquil, fading away, brought back to life, expanding till the maximum, fading again. Curling, folding, gasping, gasp, fade, repeat.